Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about another project idea for the final year computer science students. We will be discussing about all the different types of technologies that will be required. What will the benefit of this application and what will be the problem statement for which user it will be helpful. So we'll be discussing all these points, and then this will be helpful when you are giving your presentation to your guide. So again, all the project ideas that we have discussed or we will discuss, it is again platform independent. I mean, you can create in any of the language, but it's always advisable that if it is a mobile application, so you should go for the mobile platform only. And if it is something like desktop application or something, so you can use the languages that are best suitable for desktop. That is the only thing that you need to take care. Otherwise, like feature wise, whatever project idea that we have discussed, it will take approximately 2 to 3 months. So that will be a big project, and then you can showcase. So let's start the video. If you are coming first time on this channel, so please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So in this video, we will be discussing again a new project idea, and that is again Android Messenger app. So Android Messenger app, so that you are connected with your friends, with your family, with this Messenger app. And again, you can set up all the security restriction. You will be the admin who can be added to this particular Messenger app. The only requirement is, once your application is done, if a user wants to connect to this Messenger app, he just need a Android smartphone. All the coding will be done in Android Messenger. So only the admin can delete the user. One user cannot delete other users. So this for security. Accurate record of all the conversations, so that like you have, if you are in a meeting or if you want to have some important discussion with your friends, so you need to make sure that none of your friends can delete all those conversations. The personal details, that is very important. So again, when you are going to create, make sure that whatever user information that is being filled by the user, it is safe and it is not compromised. You No user's detail should be shared with any other user. Again, the main part is like profile management also. So tomorrow, like if the user wants to update their nickname, if they want to update their password, so all those features. So we are talking about all the features that you can showcase in this project to make it somewhat complex, so that like your guide, he will be convinced that okay, you have done. Because most of the time the guide says that this is something that is already being done, or you have purchased this project from somewhere. So if you are going to implement more features, so again it will showcase that you have done all the work by yourself. Then again, before, this is simply like the main scope of this application will be the Messenger app. And again, you can work in Android Studio. You can use Java language to implement this, so that will be faster and easier. And some of the code you can get on GitHub also. So it's not necessary that you should do everything from scratch, just to speed up the things, because the main work will be at the time of testing. So you should spare some time for proper testing, so that once you are giving your demo, there are no runtime or real time issues. So again, everything depends upon your demo, everything depends upon the project idea. So your marks is dependent upon that. And again, some push notification, all those features you can do. So these are all the things that you can do language wise. As I told you, you can use Java, you can use Android Studio to create this app Messenger. For security, you can use token based, so that like whenever you are passing the user's information in a payload, it should be encrypted so that like the information is not compromised. So friends, this was all about another project idea that final year computer science students they can use, they can implement, and again they can showcase to their guide. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching this video.